Last time on the Lazy Geckos,
Hopefully this goes good.
we come home with like a lobster.
That'd be sweet, man.
We're off to do a little spearfishing.
They're like a deep diver. That's gonna dive 8 meters. The entire motion in one go. Wow. There we go. That's his knot, the bimini twist.
I wonder if you can like individually wiggle your toes.
Time to weigh anchor, hoist the sails, and head for the U.S. Virgin Islands. We had great weather. It's just a day sail over to the U.S. VIs, so we took our time and enjoyed it.
The islands, man, we made it. St. Thomas. We're gonna come up here and pull into a marina and get our mail. It's on the way. It should be here hopefully tomorrow or the next day, and then we're out of there and we'll continue on.
Got our fishing gear on each side of the stern, right there, right there. So we're set up pretty nicely. Bella's in her pool, trying to go potty. Hi, Belle. Don't worry, we'll be to grass soon. It really is beautiful. When we were pulling in here, there were planes coming right in. We passed the airport. It kind of looked like they were landing on water from afar. Beautiful mountains, lots of houses up there on the peaks. There's a shipping area as well. It looks like we have now hit the islands. I think this look actually started in Puerto Rico, so pretty cool to get moving along, and it's starting to really feel like we've made it. I think we've made it. It's gorgeous, lots of anchorages over here, which I like. I like lots of boats and anchorages, meet new people, do different things, watch what everybody's doing. And, you know, there's downs to it too. It's busy and that type of thing, but I think the pros outweigh the cons for me.
Pulling into St. Thomas was surreal. We're so ready to explore this beautiful island.
Got it?
Yeah. This is chargers for the dive equipment. Oh, the dive lights that got stolen?
Oh,
the chargers that got stolen? We were diving. It was a beautiful dive. And we came out and found our window and our rental car smashed. Our one GoPro gone. 2 cell phones.
How nice is it to get our mail?
It's wonderful, right?
I know. There's one box of the 5. There's the other 4. Looking for an iPhone.
Yeah. So I can get it set up for you.
Yeah. That might be it.
Is this your phone, sweetie?
Let me open it.
Alright, here you go.
I think it's my phone.
Da-da-da.
It came. Oh my goodness. It's been like a month and a half, 2 months.
Yeah.
Right? Oh. Oh my gosh.
And just like you're about to take a knife to it.
Oh, it's so amazing. Do you know how long it's been?
Yeah.
Since I've had a phone, and I try not to touch yours. You already opened yours, so.
Yeah, well, congratulations. You want me to set it up for you?
Thank you. Yes, please.
It's like Christmas.
Look at this. Look what else we got.
I know, those are tight.
These are literally the sexiest go karts I've ever seen in my life. They were designed by me. I love them. I'm obsessed with them.
They're cool.
So pretty. He got his medication. It only took months. I'm naked, otherwise I'd open the door. Sorry, the door's not easy to open. You got your medication.
Yeah.
How easy was it?
Well, yeah, we got it. I'm ready to get off the dock now, man. I'm ready to go. This is cool. One of these mega yachts will be right next to us.
I know, I'm trying to hide because I'm naked.
Look at this fender.
Is it hanging off?
No, they're carrying it, like 4 of them.
called? Pie hole pizza?
I don't know.
Pie hole pizza. Kind of like shut your pie hole. Pie hole pizza. Yeah. We got a recommendation from one of our patrons to eat at this pizza joint, which is right in Frenchtown by a marina, and then another little restaurant tonight we might check out, he suggested. Hopefully it's yummy. I looked online, the reviews look great. You want to eat inside or out?
Let's see how it is in there.
The best pizza I've ever had. I know I've had some really good pizza, but it's been a while being on the boat. It was really good. Now to compare it with pizza pie.
So what's Blackbeard's castle all about?
It was built in the 1600s by the Danes, and it was used as a watchtower to protect the harbor. And now it is known as one of the 5 National Historic Landmarks in the U.S. Virgin Islands. Really cool.
So there's no Blackbeard living there?
No, honey.
Okay.
I'm sorry to let you down. Let's go find 99 steps. It's hot out here and it's about to get hotter. I believe we found the 99 steps. They apparently brought the brick from the steps over in the ships from Denmark, and they used it as ballast in the ship. So that's really cool. And then they built the steps. That's pretty awesome. It's beautiful.
Yeah, you ready to walk up?
Yeah. Did you count, by the way?
No, I'm gonna count.
Okay.
I was counting, but then you talked and messed me up.
Well, they say it's really 103 steps, but they call it the 99 steps.
We're about to find out.
Let's go.
5, 6, 19, 20, 29,
40. 41.
58,
59. 60. Are you tired?
57, 58, 70, 71, 72, 73, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100,
1, 2.
There you go.
Oh my goodness.
How was that? Good job, dude.
High five. Yeah, I think you beat mommy.
Why?
We beat daddy, so.
Now, how about
job.
the view?
It's gorgeous.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, what is that line?
So peaceful.
What's this shape?
St. Thomas is beautiful, but now it's time to go sailing.
You guys ready to get some pizza?
Pizza.
Pizza. You ready to get some pizza?
Yeah, why does it not transform? You said yes.
No, the GoPro does not transform. I don't know where you got that.
I don't know.
Let's do it.
From Bumblebee.
Christmas Cove is a lovely anchorage in the USVI. This is where you can find Pizza Pie, a floating pizzeria. So we grabbed a ball and went for it.
Are you ready to go get some pizza?
Yeah, why did you joke me?
What are you talking about?
Why did you say it's not transforming? You said yes.
I don't know what you're talking about. The GoPro's a transformer?
Yeah, why?
GoPro's not a transformer, you crazy boy. Alright, well let's just take this one off first then, and then we'll leave that one on.
Oh, Dad, there's a big light coming on.
Yeah, there is. Hold on.
Whoa, this is Bobby. This is Bobby.
We anchored in Christmas Cove for the night, and pizza pie is pretty famous here. So we're gonna try out some pizza, some of their pizza. They have actually a really neat selection. I looked online at their menu. Still unsure what we'll get. Might just get the norm, but pretty cool. So they actually
You ready to get some pizza?
Yeah, where's the Neho?
I don't know. Where is Neho? Are you ready to get some pizza, Reese?
Yeah.
Yeah, what kind are you gonna get?
I don't want pepperoni. I just don't want spicy. That's good.
No spicy. Alright, got it.
I know. We're good. Can I hold on to the dinghy? Yeah. Okay. You just want the norm?
Oh, whatever you want. Yeah, that and then whatever you want.
Can we do pepperoni, pineapple?
Coming up,
I have Jeremiah talking in my ear, and I look for reefs, so I have my sunglasses on.
I was just cruising along. I looked at my AIS, Delos, and I looked over. He's cruising right next to us. I'm waiting for my drinking partner. We're turning weapons in the BVIs, so we're getting escorted over to the police station. One for the Marine Corps. Come on, as long as you can.
Head on over to the bath.
out in front of Willie T's.
We are sailing to Virgin Gorda Sound.
You might be a little sick of pizza too.
And I'm hard over.
Yeah. Should we go Mayday? This is Mayday. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. Oh, that's me. I didn't.
What do you think of the back?
The back.
Right?
Major fail.
The boat in front of me is like jumping wave. They're heading out on the ark today. The easy part was getting on it. Fueled by Patreon. See how you can be a part of our journey at patreon.com/lazygeckos. Want to get behind the scenes? Follow us on Instagram. There's tons more fun to see on our Vimeo channel. You can find the link in the description below. We've been working all hurricane season for this. Are you ready to take this adventure to another level? We are.
How's it?
It's good. It tastes good when you're working for it. We've added a huge feature for you to enjoy. Our private server is live, baby. Visit us at www.lazygeckos.net to access episodes, exclusive content, bonus footage, live streams, photo shoots, and more. We are also in the process of building free apps for your tablet and phone. You can also qualify for free access by becoming a patron. See details at patreon.com/lazygeckos.